So let's talk about identity operator. In Python, identity operator is used to check if particular variable or a value is stored in the same memory location. And we do have two types of identity operators, which is and is not. Okay, the result when it is satisfies is always true or false, Boolean values. Okay, so is basically used to check if that particular values both are stored in the same location or not. Is not check if both the values or variables are stored in different locations or not. So let us take a small example. So, suppose David wanted to enroll with MyGoMinds, so he needs to sign up, right? So in that case, he needs to fill in create password and confirm password. So let us check if the create password and confirm password are matching or not. So let me take create password is equals to MyGoMinds. Confirm password is equals to MyGoMinds. Let me give same so that it matches. So let me check if create password is confirm password, then I wanted to display password matched, else I wanted to print password do not match. Okay, so now let us see the output if MyGoMinds create password and confirm password both are matching or not. So the passwords are matched. So let me remove S in confirm password and check. So password do not match. Okay, and as I said, it also shares the same memory location. If both are same, it also shares the same memory location. So let us check if the memory location is same or not. So to check the memory location, we have to use ID of create password. And also I wanted to check the memory location of confirm password. Okay, so let us see password match and the memory location is also matching. It is 9936 So let me remove my minds and check. See, the password do not match and the memory location is also different, which is 9568 3968, which are different. So, and now we have learned about is, and let us check how it works for is not. So let me take a small example for you. So let me take 5, b is equals to 10. So I wanted a is not b. So in English, when we speak like 5 is not 10. It's true, right? 5 is not 10 because both are two different numbers. So let me execute it. So it is true because 5 is not 10. What if I take b as 5? 5 is not 5. No, because 5 is 5 because both are same digits, right? So let me check, execute, and false because 5 is 5. But we are checking is not. We are checking it using is not, which means that the statement it is changing and it is giving the output as false. So this is how identity operators works in Python.